Number 1, Joint Revenue Board Establishment Act 2025. Number 2, Nigeria Revenue Service Establishment Act 2025. Number 3, Nigerian Tax Administration Act 2025. And number 4, Nigerian Tax Act 2025. These acts are the main pillars on which these reforms stand.
Local government council chairmen are critical in the smooth implementation of the new tax reform. Hence, this sensitization put together by the Akwa Ibom State Internal Revenue Services to educate them on the new reforms, especially as it concerns the third tier of government. The chairman, Akwa Ibom State Internal Revenue Services, Okono Kon, in his presentation outlines the segments of the new tax reform as it concerns local government areas, explaining that they should have nothing to fear or worry about, as this reform has only come to harmonize, unify, and ensure transparency in the tax administration. He assured Nigerians that monies in bank accounts are not taxable as they are not incomes, noting that small businesses with less than 1 million naira annual income are exempted from the tax reform.
We still have something like bicycle license, we still have canoe license, we still have truck, as in the wooden truck license, which is no more applicable in Nigeria. So the laws we have already are so cake and stale. So we need to update, and make our laws more current to deal with the current realities. Secondly, very importantly, multiplicity of taxes and levies from the federal to the state and to the local government, about something various taxes and levies on our citizens. That has put a lot of burden on citizens, individuals, small businesses, and stifle business efforts of people.
Responding on behalf of his colleagues, the Argon chairman, Wemedi Mo Udo, while assuring their readiness to cooperate with the reforms, note that the council chairman would like to first experiment the reforms using a few local government areas first, before the rest would eventually key in.
We suggested to them to use Uyo, use Ekate, and use Charimen. Let us see how the thing works from 2026 January. Let's work out the fine details around the implementation. Once we have observed, the other local governments will be desirous to get along, instead of just taking at once and everybody, we don't know where we are going. No, we want to know where we are going to.
The new tax reform seeks to unify all taxes and levies to ensure that Nigerians are not overtaxed. It has raised individual tax threshold, and with all this done, it is expected that the cost of goods and services will be reduced as a result. In Uyo, Kelvin Samuel, NTA News.